New tab dash Google Chrome.
Hi, I'm going to demonstrate how to use assessment in Gyanyatra. So first you open the Google Chrome and type your assessment link. I am pasting my assessment link and press enter.
Fun with Engly document main landmark document name edit required blank.
So first you'll read the assessment name Fun with English and focus on the name field. So enter your name
Manoharan.
and press tab.
Manoharan email edit required blank.
So enter your email address.
Manoharan. Manoharan at YOPMAIL yopmail.com.
Then press tab.
Enter your education combo box. Select education collapsed required invalid entry.
Education combo box. So to open the combo box, press Alt plus down arrow and expand the combo box and choose your education.
Expanded list. Select education unavailable 1 of 8.
And press down arrow to choose your education.
8th not select, 9th, 10th not, 11th not, 12th not, graduate not selected 7 of 8.
Graduation, press enter.
Enter your education combo box. Graduate collapsed required.
And press tab.
Select your institution. Take as name combo box. Select institution collapsed required invalid entry.
Institution also combo box. So you can use Alt plus down arrow, or if you know your institution, enter your first letter of the institution. So I know my institution, so I'm pressing the first letter of the institution.
P. Prishni Innovations.
Okay, Prishni Innovation. Then press tab.
P. Please select your disability status combo box. Select your option collapsed required in.
Disability status is also the combo box. So you know the disability types. You can press the first letter of your disability status, or you can press Alt plus down arrow and choose your disability status. So I'm pressing the
V. Vision impairment.
vision impairment. Then that's all. So here some of the shortcuts are there. So E for the text field and C for the combo box and press tab for the navigate between the text fields. Thank you.
Screen sharing me.